Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're looking at the second 50p coin in the Paddington Bear series, and we're looking at the brilliant uncirculated version. So by here we can see it, and this is exactly how it will arrive if you buy it from the Royal Mint website, or if you buy this version from Westminster Collection's website. So that there is the front of the packaging, and that there is the back. But as usual, what I'm going to do is open up my packaging and show you everything that you get inside without you having to open yours, so that yours will always be sealed. So there we go, that is the front with the packaging off, and again the back. And what I'm going to do now before we get into the coin itself is do the usual thing. I'll just pause each part of the inside long enough so that you can pause it yourselves and read all of the information. So yeah, I don't know why, but I thought that they might issue it in a different colour to the first one. But I do love this vibrant yellow colour. But yeah, I don't know why, in the back of my mind, I just thought that maybe it would be a different colour. But I'm quite glad that they didn't, because that was something they were doing with all the Beatrix Potter coins. They were all coming out in different colours. But it's quite nice to have a series where everything just matches. So there we go, back to the front. So just before we get into the coin again, I'll just show you this part by here so that you can pause and read that. And then we'll have a look at the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is copper nickel. Weight is 8 grams. The diameter is 27.30 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jody Clark. And the reverse designer, David Napton. So we'll start off now by having a look at the reverse of the coin, and I'll just see if I can get that in nicely there in the light, just so you can see all the details on this coin. I mean, look how much detail's gone into Buckingham Palace in the background there, on the windows and on the railings. I think that this coin is absolutely stunning. And now we'll just quickly have a look at the obverse of the coin. So there we are with the 2018 date and Jody Clark's portrait of the Queen right there. So yeah, I'm really happy that I've got that. So I've now got both of them in brilliant uncirculated. I've got the other silver proof for this version on order, so that probably won't be long. So keep an eye out for that video once I've got it. But let me know in the comment section below, have you bought one of them or have you bought both of them? And also let me know if you've bought the brilliant uncirculated versions or if you've also gone for the silver proofs on these. But leave that in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.